these are the solutions that you can use: vinegar, apple juice, soda, cola, lemon juice. That's cola again, but this time it's Pepsi, but it doesn't matter. We'll use one cola. This is soap, and then distilled water. Now keep in mind that if your independent variable is the type of solution, you have to pick 5 of those. Okay? And again, you've got the pH of those solutions listed on the team planning document that I want you to use. So think about this as you're planning which solution to pick, because you would expect that the stronger, the lower the pH, the more reaction it can have. I guess that's what you'll discover. But keep in mind that as you're listing your solutions, remember to keep track of the pH. Okay, so that is. Now, if the type of rock is your independent variable, then what you'll do is you're going to be selecting one of those solutions.